What's up, meatbags? It's the often imitated, never duplicated Tony TGD coming at you with another video. This time we're going to take a look at some job listings from the Intellivision Entertainment Company. Now, as you can see, we are on Indeed.com slash CMP slash Intellivision hyphen entertainment. And we got two job listings. We got an OS middleware slash software engineer, Santa Ana, California, $90,000 to $120,000 a year. And we got a game console QA analyst, Salt Lake City, Utah, $40,000 to $60,000 a year. Oof, not a lot of money. But we take a look at the OS middleware software engineer listing. Job description: Intellivision OS middleware software engineer at Intellivision. Blah blah blah. We don't need all that. Job duties and responsibilities. That's what we want. You need to write middleware that will run on a custom embedded Android system. Write documentation for other developers to use the software. Write test code to verify the software is running properly. Must wear multiple hats and be able to do different tasks if required. Now, we don't need to go through the requirements or the qualifications. Just know that you need to know your shit. It is a full-time job, $90,000 to $120,000, depending on experience. You get a 401k, get dental, health insurance, life insurance, paid time off, vision insurance, Monday through Friday. Ability to commute, relocate, Santa Ana, one location, can't work remotely. So there it is. I mean, they need a middleware slash software engineer. Now, you're probably wondering, what is middleware? Well, thankfully, we have this Google machine, and we can Google it. I'll tell you right here, what is middleware? It says, middleware is software that lies between an operating system and the application running on it. Essentially, functioning as a hidden translation layer, middleware enables communication and data management for distributed applications. It's sometimes called plumbing, as it connects two applications together so data and databases can be easily passed between the pipe. Using middleware allows users to perform such requests as submitting forms on a web browser or allowing the web server to return dynamic web pages based on a user's profile. Common middleware examples include database middleware, application server middleware, message-oriented middleware, web middleware, and transaction processing monitors. Each program typically provides messaging services so that the different applications can communicate using messaging frameworks like Simple Object Access Protocol, web services, representational state transfer, and JavaScript object notation. While all middleware performs communication functions, the type of company chooses to use will depend on what service is being used and what type of information needs to be communicated. This can include security authentication, transaction management, message queues, application servers, web servers, and directories. Middleware can also be used for distributed processing with actions occurring in real time rather than sending data back and forth. So, essentially, this will connect the operating system of the Amico with things like the web store, the leaderboards, all that good stuff. So, it looks like they're in their final phase of getting everything, as Pat likes to say, buttoned up. They'll hopefully get a middleware engineer quickly. They'll be able to jump right in, get everything set, everything smushed together, and we'll have a running Intellivision Amico that is fully functional, fully operating, be able to get on the store, buy some stuff, download games, get on the leaderboards, all that good stuff. Now, the QA analyst, his job requirements include excellent written and verbal communication skills, associate's degrees in computer science, related field, or equivalent experience training, experience with test case, test suite creation and maintenance, experience with at least one OOP language, e.g. Python, C++, Visual C, Java, Python preferred, experience with Unix like command line shells, e.g. Android, Linux, Mac OS, Android preferred. Experience parsing and interpreting logs, picking out relevant data and errors. Network and user interface testing experience, able to work well with others in small team environment. Strong software, hardware troubleshooting, and problem solving skills. Experience with test automation frameworks, good knowledge of API protocols and data structures such as REST and JSON. You might have remembered that we just talked about Rest and Jason as far as what middleware can do and connect. So obviously these two job listings are connected. They want someone to get the middleware and then someone to test it out. You got game testing experience, Android testing experience, Jira experience. Duties and responsibilities. End-to-end testing of the Intellivision Amico games and console hardware, firmware, OS, controllers, test case, suite creation and maintenance, automated test framework creation in concert with the rest of the team. And then, all the same benefits, flexible schedule, paid holidays, health, dental, all the good stuff. So what does it mean? It means that, once again, Intellivision is looking for some people for key positions. The OS middleware is probably a little more important than the QA. It does raise some questions, at least with me. We're told that they have about 50 employees. Apparently, none of those 50 are able to do the middleware software, or they don't have enough. If they do have somebody working on it, they need more people, someone to help out, which is still, either way, either they don't have the person or they don't have enough people to do it. It's still a little concerning when you're at this point in the game. Same thing with the Q&A. Obviously, we were told that it was supposed to launch last year in October. So, Q&A should be already done. They should have Q&A people all set up, all lined up. Either they lost some people or they never got Q&A people because they knew they weren't going to ship, so they didn't have anything ready, nothing to be Q&A'd, so to speak. Quality assured. So this is on the one hand, it's a little disheartening because you obviously are not ready. On the other hand, it does show a step in the right direction, some more progress if they do hire somebody. So we'll see how that goes. But really, that's all I got to say about that. And you know how we do it on this channel. Love, peace, booty grease, and we out this bitch.